This video is brought to you by Moomoo. You can get up to $14,000 as long as you deposit $100 on their platform. So you can check it out using the link in the description or pinned comment section down below. What's going on, everyone? Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. We gotta do it, guys. Indoor sunglasses, engage. So I'm gonna take those off because I actually hate the indoor sunglasses. But anyways, Bed Bath & Beyond is up 46% on the day. Had tons of little Timmies in the comment section saying, Hoot, you're late. Hoot, you're late. Boom, plus 43% on the day. I've also been talking about it on Twitter since $5 per share. Talking about it on Hootmoney trade alerts since $5 per share. First link in the description if you guys wanted to sign up for Hootmoney trade alerts. By the way, you can bag up with Hootmoney and other VIP members. We get in on Bed Bath & Beyond, AMC, other types of stocks early. That is the first link down below in the description. But with that being said, drop a like on the video. Let's get right into it. So we have 4 charts up here on the screen. We don't have to dwell on this too much. As you guys can see, Bed Bath & Beyond right here, it is up 47% on the day. A new stock that I'm looking at right here actually hit an intraday high as we speak. It's getting some volume, is ENVB. Let me know if you guys want me to make a video on this. I believe this is my new high confidence squeeze play right here. We'll talk about that one later. This is about Bed Bath & Beyond. So let's get right into it. All right, so this just doesn't fucking stop. Up 54% right now. I can barely breathe before seeing this thing up another $1. $25 per share right now. Absolutely incredible. This is around the price that Ryan Cohen actually paid for it over here, around $17, $18 per share. That's when it had its last run. It got absolutely beaten up since that point, and now it is back, baby. So I do believe that there's probably some more upside to come, even if there is a cool-off period. But honestly, I'm not really seeing anything that could be like creating selling pressure here. I mean, this is pretty much the most perfect setup in the market. You don't know who's going to dump and when. You don't know when the momentum changes, but all I'm saying is momentum is freaking strong right now, and you're probably up a ton of money if you're in the play. So don't be afraid to take profits. It could definitely go much higher than this, but don't be afraid. It's got red to green money flow here on the daily chart. So honestly, momentum is likely to stay on the bullish side. If you look at what happened right here, it actually did dump off after that really big move of Ryan Cohen buying in, but it came right back. So honestly, what we could see is that even if it does end up coming down, we're overbought right now, it comes down a little bit, we could stay overbought, and that might actually be the dip that it needs to, rip to the next level. I mean, what if it just comes down to simply like $20 per share? It'll still be green on the day, considering we're up 55%. I think it's all right to see some consolidation there. So don't be afraid to take profits when you need them. I'm not saying to do it. I'm just saying reward yourself. You made a good trade. You're allowed to reward yourself. Sometimes when apes come into the equation, you just got to hold. I get it, but listen to me right now. You're allowed to reward yourself. If we're looking at the short squeeze statistics, number 162 on that short squeeze leaderboard on Fintel, it's going to go well below 100 as of tomorrow. Number 2 on that gamma squeeze leaderboard, they ran out of shares about 7 minutes ago. This is probably why they are running still right now. They found about 350,000 shares since yesterday's update. Actually, I believe, okay, so this is from 10 hours ago. They keep running out of shares, borrowing more. So that's why that borrow rate has been increasing so much. They're just scrambling to find shares, and they just can't do it. That's why we're squeezing. It's a liquidity crisis. Pretty classic example. You can also see that through the short exempts. We got 1.5 million of them today. When you have this many short exempts, it's just screaming liquidity crisis. Number 2 on that gamma squeeze leaderboard. So all of these call options are also in the money right now. It's really just a scramble for these market makers, these short sellers, to find shares right now. And people that are long can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the gains. Holy fucking shit. It just keeps going, up 72% right now. This is absolutely ridiculous. Jumping into the Ortex right here, you guys can see multiple different news releases, as it is the hot stock on the market. 70%. I forgot for a second. But as you guys can see, what's really, really bullish here is the fact that we have many analysts that are turning bearish. Why this Bed Bath & Beyond analyst is turning bearish. There's other things, downgrades. We got another article right here. Bed Bath & Beyond stock pulls back after analyst says investors should sell, citing unrealistic valuation. It's a little funny because, you know, not even a year ago, it was still trading higher than this point. I mean, if you're just looking at the yearly chart, it's down on the yearly chart. So for analysts to be saying like, oh, it's so overvalued right now, like, honestly, that's so stupid. Like, let stocks be stocks. And the sign that this stock was going to go up was confirmed none other by Jim Cramer, who has been nonstop tweeting about Bed Bath & Beyond, saying how it should be shorted, saying how they should be selling shares as a company, they should be raising money, and that they refuse to do it. This dude's just obsessed with Bed Bath & Beyond right now. Look, BBBY, again, Wall Street Bets crying about it. You can see this with your own two eyes. Jim Cramer is bearish. Inverse the fuck out of Cramer, and you get 75% gains in a freaking day. Looking at the institutional options flow, it looks at option trades that are most likely made by institutions, not retailers. And as you guys can see, there were some calls and puts today, both in pretty high premium. A lot of these puts, they're probably going to get squeezed. I mean, they're coming in right here at 11.15. If they were in at 10.44, they're probably getting squeezed right now. We're not seeing anything super high premium. The biggest premium that we've obviously seen was this $1 million call option for 8.19, which is on Friday this week. That was really deep in the money there at a $10 strike price. We also had these interesting bets of $990,000 worth of 158 strike price, so $158 per share, and that's for January of 2023 right there. So that's literally just betting on a GameStop like short squeeze right there. So there's definitely still more bulls than bears, even if it's more bearish today. They're coming in at these higher prices. Honestly, they might get squeezed. We'll see. There's still time until those expirations. They expire 8/26, so next week, and then they expire in November right here, and these are deep in the money. Oh, no, that's at a $15 strike price. So we'll see what happens with that, but obviously we got nothing over $1 million as of yet, so nothing too crazy. Moving into the unusual whales flow, we're looking at 100K premium or more, ask side only, so only the buying of calls and buying of puts. If we scroll down right here, there was a decent amount of puts placed, but there's just so much more calls, and I guess these calls are just not showing up in the institutional flow, even though they're in super high premium right here. This was for 750,000 right here. This was 459,000 right there. Overall, we're looking at about 86% bullish premium. Most are going for January of 2023, betting on a prolonged squeeze, while the second most are betting on this Friday expiration. Absolutely phenomenal bullish flow. Looking at the biggest open interest changes, it was the $80 January of 2023 call option right there. We also had the $45 8.19 call option, which is still pretty significantly out of the money. If I'm doing some quick math, that's about 60% out of the money right there. That's insane. That's freaking insane. Mostly all calls, just absolutely crazy open interest increases right there. The max Payne is at $11.50 for 8.19, which is on Friday. It's currently out of the money there by over 100%, sitting at $27 per share right now. So obviously at 11.50, this max Payne is most likely not going to hit. Bulls won. Baby, Bulls won. Gamma exposure, it is pretty solid all the way up till $30 per share. Then it'll slow down a bit. Should pick up again around $45 per share if we get into that option chain. Let's see what we got here for January of 2023. There's still some crazy open interest that picks up around 45, 50, 55, 60, all crazy open interest, even $80 per share right there. Some crazy open interest. So there is a lack of gamma between $30 and $40 per share. However, around $45 per share, it starts to pick up again. So if it does end up getting to that range, that's where we could expect some added volatility. Anyways, my friends, that's about it for the video. Bed Bath & Beyond going absolutely nuts. We captured some of it live on the video. Always love to see that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments section. It's really feeling like a GameStop 2.0 with Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm not really seeing anything that's gonna stop this thing yet, other than, you know, normal profit taking, which honestly I don't know if that's gonna even stop it. Shorts are that big in the that deep in the hole, and there's so many options that are in the money right now. Just the forced buying from the liquidity crisis should be enough to hold this thing up pretty high right now. I really love BBBY. I'll see you guys next time. Drop a like on the video before you guys leave. If you guys want more bangers with Hootmoney, you can join Hootmoney Trade Alerts using that first link in the description down below. And I'll be signing off for now. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.